Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we're out in a Brocade red BMW E34 540. So folks, normally I have the honour of driving the cars after we've done suspension work, but I'll give Dad the honour today. Are you getting that bottle?
I am.
Yeah.
This is my Tiger tank.
Just listen to that. Everybody's looking in the street. It's very sociable. Back, yeah, I'll polish over something, but yeah, I'm really about this. I've just got the Tyres R 2-door GBD, quite cool. He's been restoring it over a couple of years. Cool. A little story about one of these viewers. We had two of these from Wilco's, and we left one on the front chassis leg by the engine. We went down to Castle King with it on, left on. We come back, and about a week later, of driving as well, and he was still stuck there. He hadn't melted or nothing. These are seriously cool from Wilco. I do rate him, yeah. How's he thinking, Pat?
Aye, thinking.
Is it like having your top out?
It is all.
You can see we've got the new M.O.Ts. This is some pads at the back and front. We're running Spax adjustable suspension, front and rear. But as I'm new to the channel, this is a genuine Brocade red BMW E34 540 with parchment sports leather. Why did I just open the door? With parchment sports leather. She's on field for most of her life, but it's quite a really solid car. As you'll see when it gets up the exhaust, we'll need to do within the next year, which will be done within the next couple of months before BMW show. If you like our content, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to us on here. Butler-HQ. We've gone for a well-known look on the brakes. We've done red, hammerite red. Very 90s. A few bits need touching up, but I'm undecided whether the old car resprayed or the back side and the bonnet. I hate to show you, I'd rather have the old car done so there's no blending in, there's no colour discrepancy, but we'll see what happens, won't we? So she failed on some front tyres, maybe get a track. She does drive good though, even though it's an automatic, it really is fun to drive, especially that new suspension setup as ace. So we are waiting outside Allison's for tracking. It's raining, it's raining. Boudica's driving great, even with the L tracked front suspension, it does handle quite well, and it's on the softy setting. I might knock it up 2 or 3 bits for when I'm getting pod, maybe. But this is really nice, it really drives nice. I mean, yeah, obviously we don't know motorway or B roads or nothing like that, but around the islands it tucks in well, and yeah, I'm impressed.
It's quite chill in here, being inside a car when it's raining rather than underneath.
Outside. Yeah, that's true.
So yeah,
we'll get back to you. Stop there. Oh, it's fish trap. So it's on. Got these snazzy things that clip to the wheels. It's like I said before, it's a Hunter 4-pipe system. And the system calibrated. So we've just had all front track straight and through now. Probably going to get her locked up for the night now. Ready for tomorrow. Take it back to get them out here tomorrow. New tyres at the front as well, so it's all good. Yeah, we've just popped back to get 2 alloys. Yeah. We've just had a look at our tractors you've seen from last videos at Addison Tyre Centre in Tipton. We are repping Toyota tyres. We have them on all our cars, we really like them. And today we managed to get some stickers and some Appley fresh air freshener. And like we're saying, if you're around from the Soundwell, West Bromwich, Albury, West Midlands area and you want some tyres, go down to Addison's Tyres and the Butler-HQ, he'll sort you out and you have a
And he does do a cracking deal.
nice, professional but personal service, which we like. So I'm going to get back to Butler-HQ now and have a cup of tea. You think a cup of tea?
Cup of char.
Yeah.